Your PC is slow, so you start turning things off. Animations, services, security settings, but here's the truth, some Windows settings should never be turned off. Disable them, and your PC can become unstable, laggy, or even unsafe. In this video, I'll show you 7 important Windows settings you should always keep on. These help your PC stay stable, secure, and running smoothly. Let's start with one of the most important ones. Setting 1, Windows Security Real-Time Protection. One setting you should never turn off is Windows Security Real-Time Protection. Some people disable it to try and gain performance, but that creates a bigger problem. This feature constantly scans your system. It checks files, apps, and downloads in real time. If you turn it off, malware can run freely in the background, and once your PC is infected, performance drops quickly. You may notice high CPU usage, random lag, pop-ups, or even crashes. Here is how to check it. Press Windows+I, go to Privacy and Security, click Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection, make sure real-time protection is on. Windows Security is already optimized. It runs efficiently in the background. Turning it off won't make your PC faster, but it can make it worse. Keep this on at all times. Setting 2, Windows Update. Another setting you should never disable is Windows Update. Many users turn it off to avoid interruptions. But updates are important. They fix bugs, improve performance, and patch security issues. Without updates, your system becomes outdated. Apps may stop working properly, drivers may become incompatible, and your PC may become unstable. Here is what to do. Press Windows+I, go to Windows Update, make sure updates are enabled. If you don't want interruptions, you can pause updates temporarily, or schedule them for later. But don't disable them completely. Updates help your PC run better over time. Think of them as maintenance. Keep them on. Setting 3, Virtual Memory, Page File. Virtual memory is extremely important, especially on low-end PCs. It acts as backup RAM. When your memory is full, Windows uses your drive to handle extra tasks. If you turn this off, your PC can freeze or apps may crash. Some users disable it, thinking it improves speed, but it actually does the opposite. Here is how to check it. Press Windows+S, type Performance. Click Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to the Advanced tab under Virtual Memory. Click Change. Make sure it is set to System Managed Size. This allows Windows to manage it properly. On 4 GB or 8 GB systems, this setting is critical. Keep it on. Setting 4, Driver Updates. Drivers help your hardware work properly. Without updated drivers, your PC cannot perform at its best. Some users ignore driver updates. Others disable automatic updates. This leads to problems. Outdated drivers can cause lag crashes, low FPS, and hardware issues. Here is what to do. Press Windows+X, open Device Manager, check key sections like Display Adapters, Disk Drives, right-click and update drivers. For best results, download drivers from official websites like Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Avoid random driver tools. Keeping drivers updated improves stability and helps your PC run smoothly. Setting 5, System Restore. System Restore is your safety net. It allows you to go back in time if something goes wrong. For example, after installing a bad update or a faulty app. If this is turned off, you lose that protection, and fixing problems becomes harder. Here is how to check it. Press Windows+S, type Create a Restore Point, open it, make sure protection is on for your main drive. You can also create restore points manually. This is useful before making changes. System Restore runs quietly in the background. It does not slow your PC, but it can save you when something breaks. Keep it on. Setting 6, Essential Startup Services. Not all startup items should be disabled. Some are necessary for your system to function properly. Many people disable everything, thinking it will boost performance, but that can cause issues. Apps may fail to launch, features may break, and your system can become unstable. Here is what to do. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC, open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable only apps you recognize, like launchers or chat apps. Do not disable system-related items. If you are not sure, leave it enabled. The goal is balance. Not everything should be turned off. Setting 7 Windows Defender Firewall. The firewall protects your PC from network threats. It blocks unauthorized access and keeps your system safe online. Some users turn it off, thinking it improves performance. But the difference is very small, and the risk is high. Without a firewall, your PC is exposed. Malicious connections can reach your system. This can lead to security problems and slowdowns later. Here is how to check it. Press Windows +I, go to Privacy and Security, click Windows Security, open Firewall and Network Protection, make sure it is ON. The firewall runs in the background. It does not affect performance noticeably, but it protects your system. Keep it on. Let's quickly go over everything. Keep Windows Security ON, don't disable updates. Leave virtual memory enabled, update your drivers, keep System Restore active, be careful with startup apps, and keep your firewall on. These settings protect your PC and keep it running smoothly. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple PC fixes. See you in the next video.